Here we have the BENYAR model BY-5140 men's watch with a classic design for business and for dress. It's a very attractive and stylish looking watch, almost homage to a Rolex, but definitely without the Rolex price tag. The functions of the watch, it's a chronograph and a date function. Stainless steel case adds toughness, and the unique dial gives the watch a luxurious and classic look. The Tiffany blue dial looks amazing and is equipped with a high efficient quartz movement. It has a luminous coating for clear time reading in the dark. It has a high hardness glass that is scratch resistant and has good light transmission with clear reading. High quality leather strap sets off the dial, and it's 220 millimeters long and can last a lifetime if properly maintained. The case is 45 millimeters and the thickness is 14 millimeters. The watch is water resistant, but it's only appropriate for rain, water splashes, hand washing, and other occasional contact with water. It's not for swimming, diving, or showering. Let's face it, these watches are great for keeping time, but really, we're looking for a business casual and fashionable look, making us look stylish, and to provide a complement to our outfits. So this watch provides fashion and function, which doesn't break the budget. This is great for gifts to any man for any occasion.